If you're looking at a condo at Mystique in Sacramento, I understand the appeal. Easy freeway access, nearby shopping, and low maintenance living. Then you check the FHA condo list and see approved expired. That can feel like a roadblock, but it's really just a speed bump. Here's what that means in plain English. Mystique was FHA approved years ago. That approval expired and it was tied to specific phases of the project. So today, lenders can't just lean on FHA approval and move on. They have to look closer. They'll review the HOA, owner occupancy, insurance, reserves, and even which building or phase your unit is in. The good news, people still buy condos here. Most buyers use conventional condo loans or other low down payment options that don't depend on FHA approval. Sometimes those work even better than FHA, especially in phased communities like Mystique. The key is not guessing. If Mystique is on your list, head to sacramentocondofinance.com and complete the intake form. We'll review the project, the HOA, and your numbers and explain your options clearly. An expired FHA label doesn't mean no, it just means you need the right plan.